Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are changing the control arms on Chris's Jeep, which is right here. The control arms are from Max Speeding Rods, so go check them out. Support their brand because they're hooking us up. They're hooking Chris up actually. We already got the A-arm in there. It's been driving good. Next step are the control arms, which are easy to do, but I'm gonna tell you a couple tips that I learned from you guys. First things first, we're gonna lift it up, take off the wheels, and put it on jack stands. Look at Chris. He got the Crocs in sport mode. He's ready to go off-roading, huh? Ooh. The Jeep's moving. So we got the wheels off, we got on jack stands, we got chucks in the front, and we are ready to get this off. We will be doing one side at a time. So we're gonna take off this side first, loosen it up, remove it. We might need a ratchet strap to kind of pull the axle forward, but we'll see once we get there. For now, we're just gonna remove the old one and get the new one in place, which Chris is opening right now. All right, this is gonna be the fun part right here. All right, so we almost got this off. Ow.
Can't even see it in it. Oh, there it is.
We got all the nuts loosened up, so we're gonna take off the bolts the rest of the way with the impact. It'll just make it a lot easier. And the axle might drop a little bit, so we put the jack underneath it right there, as you can see. All right, the impact did not work, so we're going back to old school. All right, now it dropped.
See it move a little.
The bottom one we should be able to take out pretty easy, just by pulling out, since there's no more tension on it. Oh, there it is. All right, so now we can take this out. Chris, give me the new one. Any of them will work. I think it's the same one, left and right. All right, so we got the old arm out. Now it's time to put the new one in. On the new one, you will see a side that's like a circle and a side that's like an oval. So we're gonna put the circle side in on the body side and the oval side on the axle side. And we will start by putting the axle side in first. All right, we got that in. Let's put a nut on it just to hold it in place. Oh, actually I should put this side in first. Oh no, it'll work. All right, Chris, with the jack, push the axle forward. Let's see if that helps. So I'm pulling on the brake as he's pushing on the jack. Go ahead, push it. Push, 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 a little bit more. Okay, right there, hold it, hold it, hold it. Then we put the bolts in. Okay, give me a second. All right, and that's in. Yeah, you can release tension now. Yep, go ahead. Everything is on. So now we can actually tighten, or actually don't tighten anything yet. So I'm gonna snug them up, but not tighten it all the way. So the reason you don't want to tighten it is because of the bushings. If you tighten it now and then you put pressure on the wheels, it's gonna twist the bushing and cause the rubber to go bad faster. So you want to put all the weight on it, let the axle settle with the new bushings, and then tighten it. That way you don't prematurely wear out the bushings. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna snug it up and then tighten it afterwards. Chris actually just brought up a great point. He has the rock lights here, so he turned them on that we can actually see when we're working. We still have that light, so the camera picks up the parts good. So we're gonna go ahead and take this one off, put the new one in, and then get the wheels on it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Going.
Alright, there it is. There it is. Let's take the bottom one out.
Watch your face.
Yeah, watch your face for sure. Ooh, ooh. There it is. Those bushings are shot. So again, oval side to the axle, circle side of the body.
Wow.
Motherfucker.
Whoa, you can't say that. You gotta say mother yucker.
Mother yucker.
Alright, I'm gonna push.
Wait, where's the nut? Right here. Okay, we got that in. What's next? Okay, push it. More, or a little bit more. Hold it more. A little bit more. Need like 1/4 of an inch. Let me pull it. Hold up. Ready? 3, 2, go. Okay. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Ready? 3, 2, push. There we go. Now we got it. All right. So we got it in, time to tighten everything up. So after this, we're actually gonna lower the jack, put the vehicle on its own weight, and then tighten the control arms. And if your Jeep is lifted, you can fit under here comfortably, so no worry about that. How many ooga-doogas do you want?
Tight.
Tight. Okay, that's tight. That's tight, tight. Can't get it tighter than that.
Yeah. Don't question me. That's it. Sorry, that's all the beans I got.
That's all the beans you got? Alright, let's call it quits. Let's go drive it now. Let's go. Alright, we're trying it out now. Get some speed, so we're gonna see if it sways. That's one of the biggest issues when you have a bad A-arm and control arm. So now that we have both brand new from Max Spinning Rods, let's see how it drives.
It's driving pretty good so far.
So far it's good. Even I don't feel it like swaying. It feels like it's going straight, so that's a good sign. What do you think?
Feels mint. Feels.
Is it going straight? Yeah?
Yeah.
It's going straight. She is solid.
Hey guys, this is a Jeep thing. I've seen a bunch of forums. This is normal.
Having a loose steering wheel, it's pretty normal, guys.
I mean,
Yeah.
it's not that bad.
Yeah, you can actually, I don't know why, but on my Jeep as well, I can move it side to side and the Jeep will go straight, but the steering wheel will go side to side. I don't know, that's a Jeep thing, don't worry about it, just drive the Jeep, right?
And if your Jeep wheel's like this, and you're driving perfect, if it's straight, something's obviously wrong.
Something's bad. Nah, as long as you don't have death wobble, you're solid.
Solid.
So right now it's driving perfect, so I think we are good to go back home. So I think we found the clunking noise. I don't think it was the A-arm, I don't think it was the control arms. We got those new already. It's still making the noise, but look at this. I think this is where our noise is coming from. That's probably what you're hearing.
Probably?
Yeah, I don't think the spring is making that noise, dude.
Huh?
No. I would honestly check the caliper bolts. Was that with the caliper in there?
Ow. Oh, dude, I don't get it.
You what?
I'm a concussion.
Concussion.